nation no address no be baso so na no ebe baso na me sa kabium be say if you do not want to be seen as weak, develop a strategy. NDC majority now more parliament. You guys are weak. Me, I'm telling you. You are weak in strategy. And you are weak in implementing your strategy if there's any. Because Ghana for shall say kase. Papa and your friends say I hear more. So are you weak or you weak? You think that Ghana for na ye parliament or no? You think we don't have eyes to see? You guys are weak. Look, the other Cape Coast MP now will take it over, I think a day or two. No? Markin Hagen, he came with a strategy. Afenyo Markin was actually not comfortable with Markin Hagen's plan and strategy. So Afenyo Markin could not do his small acts plan. He couldn't execute it. Because Markin Hagen did not come in with any, He also came with a plan, with a strategy to contain the small acts. So the small acts got lost. It is all realized here, Edu baby na Afenyo Markin so mantem. Utimi kwa jatum sa long, Edu baby one of the appointees kura can say yenye ntemi yenko na Afenyo Markin samba. You remember? So have a strategy. Don't portray yourself to the world that you are weak. Because you think you have the numbers, you go to the floor of the house, vote, and then you pass the people. That's not it. We know, say you have the majority, overwhelming majority. We are aware. And we know. But you can have one American seal. One American seal, say, or TC Vietnam. One person can deal with 500 Vietnamese soldiers. So it is not about the quantity. We are not talking about the number. We are looking at how quality the things you were doing. And I mean, somebody should devise a strategy. I mean, the guy is asking questions. Afenyo Markin will not stop us. Afenyo Markin is the oil and crying. Honestly, Afenyo, don't stop. Excess is never a becca was say, oh, Afenyo, wait there, why you are trash. You becca was but Afenyo jai the oil now. Hey? One by forever and ever. And I told you right from the beginning of the show, say in politics, everything and anything makes sense. In politics, so we may catch on there. Anything and everything makes sense. It is up to you sitting back to either find or come out with a plan or a strategy to make the sense-making strategy a useless one. And the NDC are more parliament. You are gradually, and you have succeeded telling us, say, we are weak. Because I could not see any plan, there's no strategy, there's nothing. And once I'm motivated, Afenyo Markin is a question, so now my jittery. Son of no, someone dream so big, Martin, Afenyo will not stop. So Afenyo so jai de oil and so ye mu bi so be question no. Yes. Ye de Sam George call no. As I so obisa the questions about communication. Me am betena ha kan. Say ye call no mu kakra. And how he's doing his things no. Once Afenyo movie we changing gear no. Mo realize it yet. Or the Sam George all the dirty things he wanted to do. So now, he's bringing into the fold what I call political classical comedy. That is what Afenyo Markin says. classical political comedy. And Afenyo Markin's no. And so what follow practical politics are. You would understand Afenyo Markin's no. You need somebody who understands politics at that level to also come out with a strategy to meet him squarely. And when you kayo, I said, there be no nyafabe also. And when you kayo, mean stop you be a nati ya wasanchi. Sign. And then you kayo, and you fabe also, and a more year. The Etienne say, Anka onu busa question no say papa and sorry sag bajano. I've told you, Afenyo Markins will not stop. And so wakache je Kufuor sa yo kasa on kasa temtem. What are you talking about? Kufuor kasa ojuna 15 times. And so you another word about. That's J. Kufuor for you. Kufuor nyo basanyo. You see? Ghana. Not here. So it's like asking J. Kufuor, so on kasa to say Captain Smart. Say J. Kufuor on kasa to say Kwame Nkrumah. It is not possible. So what do you have to do? We are MC with J. Kufuor People's Assembly as here. Any question which 10 people boom so maybe some question Kufuor answer 10 questions. You made 17 hours. Into your People's Assembly. Time na former Fantsman MP. Asama Boateng information minister na. Yaje first 3 year, ni amaje answer. Yaje 3 year, ni amana answer. Nti Kufuor was ada yaje 3 yaje 5 na yenye ntem ni yenko. Nti ye use yenye strategy to push him to answer the questions no and tempt him. Said abaya able to be People's Assembly because on one kasa kra no otena se che it is not good for his health as a president. Also osonwa. So we realize that the way that the answer questions no say kasa ye jane sa obe answer sa obe che. Because I remember you call BBC back one question for almost 15 minutes. No answer half. No person answer so. So ye handle no ye responsibility to devise a strategy. Then, as some about to say, I don't want to say, you're for the Basi Basa. Kojo, Wunjade, you're for the Basi Basa. Ulmanu would oye Basi Basa, temtema. Obama yards and temp. And then that was it. Kufuor answered everything. That was the People's Assembly. Papa Bika said, oh no, I made them in Pepe. One mama upon Chimam Kayen. What can I say People's Assembly? No, I kept coast. I was there. Yes. I mean, me Papa Ponche. Oma Ponche Mam Kayen. That was it. And you see, so you need, when somebody is adopting classical political comedy, what's the you may think that he's making noise. You don't know. You need a strategy. So, as by now, more na modie NDC for mo nominees. Say winim say Afenyo Markins beba. Echina Afenyo beba. Enti say obisa question. Na ye mpese wo be answer. There's no need. You can overrule some of the questions, but some of them must be done with strategy, so that nobody will see even that the chairman overruled the question. Yes, some you can overrule in public. Anka make us say, "Wunya who say me fa me pen no." Na madane meni ahwa Afenyo Markins na nkasa obisa question na meni ye dem who say me dey aboho baako. Na me dey aboho mienu a. The chairman say question no, don't answer. When I say don't answer, don't say that, Mr. Chair, I will not answer the question. No, you can't do that. There's a very proper diplomatic manner of refusing to answer certain questions. Mr. Chair, with all due respect to the Honorable Minority Leader, I really do not have the answer here. I promise that I will make the answer available to the committee. Yes, Agbaja. Chairman, I strategy. Amam who say you can say sorry, sir, Agbaja. Mr. Chair, I'm sorry, I'm not very good in dancing, and I would like to say that I don't know how to dance Agbaja. If the honorable minority leader can actually teach me how to dance, I'll follow suit. No, I'll So when somebody is adopting classical political comedy, yenchewo book mu, yenchewo University of Ghana. If you don't know, I'm telling you, political science. No, there's nowhere they teach classical political comedy. And it's a serious strategy. That is what Afenyo Markin is adopting now. Where your friend is saying, Sam George, now my deputies and he's adopting this strategy. So the NDC majority in parliament, you guys should set up some weak attitude approach now.